The topic of what happens after death has been a subject of fascination and speculation for centuries. While there is no way to know for sure what happens after we die, there are many theories and beliefs that attempt to provide an explanation. In this blog, we'll explore some of the most common ideas about what happens to humans after death. Religious beliefs. One of the most common beliefs about what happens after death is based on religious beliefs. For example, Christians believe that the soul goes to heaven or hell, depending on whether or not the person was saved by believing in Jesus Christ. Muslims believe that the soul is judged and sent either to paradise or hell. Hindus and Buddhists believe in reincarnation, which means that the soul is reborn into a new body after death. Scientific explanations. From a scientific perspective, the body ceases to function after death, and the brain and other organs shut down. This leads to the cessation of all bodily functions, including breathing, circulation, and digestion. Once a person is declared dead, there is no scientific evidence to suggest that any part of their consciousness or personality survives. Near-death experiences. Some people who have had near-death experiences report seeing a bright light or feeling as though they were floating above their body. Please split your sentence into 2 or more sentences. However, it is unclear whether these experiences are actually related to what happens after death, or if they are simply the result of changes in the brain caused by oxygen deprivation or other physiological factors. Please split your sentence into 2 or more sentences. The idea of an afterlife. The idea of an afterlife is also common in many cultures. This includes the idea of a spirit world or a place where the soul goes after death. Some people believe that the afterlife is a peaceful and tranquil place, while others believe that it is a place of punishment or reward, depending on the actions of the person during their lifetime. In conclusion, the question of what happens after death remains a mystery. While there are many beliefs and theories about what happens, there is no way to know for sure. Ultimately, the answer to this question may depend on an individual's personal beliefs and experiences. Clinical death is a condition where the heartbeat and breathing stop, and the body enters a state of unconsciousness. Biological death is when the cells of the body start to decay, and it is irreversible. A person who experiences biological death cannot be revived. Death can occur due to natural causes such as old age, genetic disorders, or disease. It can also occur due to external factors such as accidents, injuries, and homicide. Certain factors such as lifestyle choices, exposure to toxins, and pollution can also contribute to premature death. While the physical body ceases to exist at death, many cultures and religions believe in the concept of an afterlife. This can range from reincarnation in Hinduism and Buddhism to heaven and hell in Christianity and Islam. Some cultures have believed in the concept of the soul continuing to exist in some form after death.